The future of food, lab-grown meat. The investigation starts now. What if I told you the steak on your plate was never part of a living, breathing animal? This isn't science fiction, it's the rapidly advancing world of lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated or cellular meat. The evidence suggests this technology could fundamentally change our food systems, our planet, and even our bodies. The process begins with a small sample of stem cells, painlessly collected from an animal. These cells are then placed in a bioreactor, which is like a high-tech brewery vat. Inside, they are fed a nutrient-rich broth containing amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, everything they need to grow and multiply, just as they would inside an animal's body. Over a few weeks, these cells differentiate into muscle and fat tissue, eventually forming a piece of meat that is biologically identical to its farm-raised counterpart. The first lab-grown hamburger was created in 2013 by Dr. Mark Post at Maastricht University. The cost? Over $300,000. Today, costs are plummeting. Companies around the world are racing to scale up production, with some claiming they can produce a pound of cultivated meat for just a few dollars. The evidence of progress is undeniable. In 2020, Singapore became the first country to approve the sale of lab-grown chicken to the public. The United States followed suit, with the USDA and FDA granting approval for cultivated chicken to be sold in 2023. So, what does this mean for our future? Proponents point to massive environmental benefits. Traditional livestock farming is a leading cause of deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Cellular agriculture uses significantly less land, less water, and produces far fewer emissions. It also eliminates the need for antibiotics in meat production, a major contributor to the growing threat of antibiotic-resistant superbugs. Furthermore, it presents a future free from animal slaughter, a powerful ethical argument for many. However, the case isn't completely closed. Questions remain about public acceptance, long-term health effects, and the energy consumption of large-scale bioreactors. Will consumers embrace a food source born in a lab? Can the industry truly become more energy efficient than traditional farming? And what will happen to the millions of people whose livelihoods depend on conventional agriculture? The investigation into the future of food is just beginning, and the evidence log is growing every day. Please like and subscribe for more investigations from the evidence log.